Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are shifting gears and delving into the realm of sporty yet chic fashion with one-piece biker short outfits. Perfect for the modern, active woman, that these ensemble blends comfort, functionality and style seamlessly. Whether you are hitting the gym, running errands or just lounging in style, one-piece biker short outfits have got you covered. Let's explore some fabulous ways to rock this trend and look effortlessly put together. For an effortlessly cool and casual look, pair your one-piece biker shorts with an oversized t-shirt. This combination offers a relaxed vibe while still looking trendy. Choose a graphic tee for a pop of personality and tie a knot at the waist to define your silhouette. Complete the outfit with chunky sneakers and a crossbody bag. Add some oversized sunglasses for a touch of glam. Elevate your casual day out attire by layering a denim jacket over your biker shorts. Opt for a light wash denim jacket for a classic look. This adds structure and a bit of edge to your outfit. Finish off with slip-on sneakers or platform sandals and accessorize with a baseball cap and a backpack for a sporty yet chic appearance. When heading to the gym, keep it simple and functional by wearing your one-piece biker shorts with a supportive sports bra. Look for a matching set to create a coordinated look. Add a pair of high-performance trainers and some wristbands. Don't forget your water bottle and a gym bag. This outfit ensures you stay comfortable and stylish while working out. For those cooler days, layer a lightweight hoodie over your one-piece biker shorts. Choose a cropped hoodie to maintain the sporty aesthetic or go for an oversized one for extra coziness. Finish the look with athletic shoes and a headband. This ensemble is perfect for outdoor workouts or a quick trip to the gym. Inject some edge into your outfit by pairing your one-piece biker shorts with a leather jacket. This combo is perfect for those who love to mix sporty with rock chic. Choose a black leather jacket and finish the look with ankle boots or combat boots. Accessorize with bold jewelry like chunky rings or a statement necklace and a structured handbag for an urban street style look. Make a statement with graphic one-piece biker shorts and bold sneakers. Opt for shorts for eye-catching patterns or logos. Pair with high-top sneakers in a vibrant color. Keep the rest of the outfit simple with a plain crop top or tank. Add a bomber jacket and a sleek backpack for a look that's perfect for city adventures or casual meetups. For an unexpected yet stylish look, pair your one-piece biker shorts with a tailored blazer. This combination blurs the lines between casual and formal, making it a great choice for brunch and casual office settings. Choose a blazer in a neutral tone like black, beige or navy. Complete the outfit with strappy sandals or mules and a crossbody bag. Accessorize with minimalist jewelry for a polished appearance. Create a sleek and cohesive look by going for a monochrome outfit. Choose biker shorts and a top in the same color family. For example, a black one-piece biker short with a black tank or a white set for a fresh summery vibe. Add a long cardigan or a duster coat in the same color palette. Finish the look with coordinating sneakers or slides and a matching handbag. This outfit is both simple and sophisticated. For a cozy and relaxed look, pair your one-piece biker shorts with a soft oversized sweater. This combination is perfect for lounging at home or casual hangouts. Opt for a sweater in neutral or pastel shade. Add fuzzy slippers or casual slides for ultimate comfort. Accessorize with a simple necklace and tote bag if you are stepping out. Layer your one-piece biker shorts with a long open cardigan for a cozy yet stylish look. Choose a cardigan in a contrasting color to add some visual interest. Finish the outfit with slip-on sneakers or comfortable flats. This look is perfect for a day of relaxation or a laid-back coffee date. Turn heads on a night out by pairing your one-piece biker shorts with a sheer stylish top. Opt for a top with embellishments like sequins or embroidery for glamorous touch. Add high heels or high-heeled ankle boots to elevate the outfit. Complete the look with a clutch bag and statement earrings for a night out on the town. For a chic evening look, pair your one-piece biker shorts with a belted blazer. The belt cinches your waist, creating a flattering silhouette. Choose a blazer in a luxurious fabric like satin or velvet. Finish the outfit with stiletto heels and a small handbag. Accessorize with elegant jewelry like a layered necklace or chandelier earrings to complete the sophisticated look. Embrace the summer heat by pairing your one-piece biker shorts with a crop top. This look is both sporty and fun, perfect for a day at the beach or a summer festival. Choose a vibrant crop top for a pop of color. Add Sandals or espadrilles and a wide brimmed hat, accessorized with sunglasses and a beach top for a fresh summer look. For a bohemian summer look, layer a lightweight kimono over your one piece biker shorts. Choose a kimono with a floral print or intricate patterns. Finish the look with flat sandals and a fringe bag. Accessorize with layered necklaces and a sun hat. This outfit is perfect for outdoor events, beach days, or casual summer events. The key is to balance the sporty element of the biker shorts with different tops, layers, and accessories to create a look that's uniquely yours. Thank you for joining into the Leon of Fashion and Beauty. We hope you find inspiration for styling your one-piece biker shorts outfits in various fabulous ways. Stay stylish, stay comfortable, and most importantly, stay true to your unique fashion sense. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing new trends with confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.